Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets across different wallets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XDC from your Tangem wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're optimizing your portfolio or just switching for better security, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have both wallets set up and accessible. You'll need your Tangem wallet unlocked with your XDC coins ready, and your Arculus wallet address handy. Always double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transfers aren't forgiving. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app or device. Navigate to the Assets section and select XDC. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Tap that. Now, enter the wallet address from your Arculus wallet. Pro tip: copy and paste the address to prevent any typos, as even a small error could send your coins into the void. Step 2. Specify the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Double-check your balance to ensure you're not overdoing it. Once entered, review the transaction details, including fees if any. These can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so keep an eye out. Step 3. Confirm the transaction on your Tangem wallet. You'll likely need to verify with your PIN or biometric auth for security. After that, sit tight while the blockchain processes it. This usually takes a few minutes, but it depends on the XDC network. Once the transfer is complete, head over to your Arculus wallet and refresh to see your XDC arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. A quick word of caution: always test with a small amount first, especially if you're new to this. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next wallet move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.